Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. We're going to dive into a major new initiative called the Genesis Mission, an ambitious effort to harness artificial intelligence for scientific discovery, advanced engineering, and national competitiveness. We'll walk through what it is, how it works, the goals behind it, and some of the key questions it raises. Let's begin. Now, what exactly is the Genesis Mission? At its core, the Genesis Mission is a federal initiative signed into law on November 24, 2025. Under this executive order, the U.S. government has launched a dedicated national effort to accelerate scientific research by leveraging artificial intelligence, supercomputers, and massive datasets held across federal agencies, national laboratories, academia, and private industry. The idea is to weave together the nation's best research infrastructure, compute capacity, and scientific data into one unified platform, a kind of AI hub for discovery. It's being compared by government officials to the scale of the Apollo space program, but with AI and data at its heart. So how will it work, and who is involved? According to the executive order, the U.S. Department of Energy, via its national laboratories, will lead the build-out of what's called the American Science and Security Platform. This platform will provide high-performance computing resources, AI modeling frameworks, predictive simulation systems, and secure access to federal science and engineering data. The mission will also integrate private sector partners, major tech companies, universities, and other federal agencies. Initial areas of focus include energy innovation and grid modernization, discovery science and biotechnology and materials, national security technologies, quantum information science, and large-scale engineering challenges. The timeline is ambitious. Within 90 days, 120 days, and 240 days, officials expect to set priorities, gather data and models, and assess lab capabilities. Why is this being done now? Several major factors are driving this push. First, the U.S. government sees itself in a global competition in artificial intelligence and advanced science, especially relative to China and other technological challengers. Making an integrated AI-driven science initiative is seen as a strategic advantage. Second, there's concern that traditional methods of scientific discovery have slowed. Drug approval rates have declined, many complex materials and energy challenges remain unsolved, and advances have plateaued. The Genesis mission aims to change that by using AI to dramatically compress timelines, from years to months or even weeks, by automating experiment design, running large simulations, generating predictive models, and optimizing workflows. Third, energy and economic concerns play a role. The push to involve national labs and private sector AI systems is also tied to modernizing the U.S. electric grid, reducing energy costs, and increasing efficiency. So this initiative is both scientific and strategic in nature. Let's dig into the ambition of the technology itself. The mission includes massive compute using national lab supercomputers and secure cloud-based AI environments to handle large-scale model training and inference. Foundation models and AI agents that can tackle scientific domains, for example, protein folding, fusion plasma dynamics, material science, quantum computing. Closed-loop experimentation where AI systems not only analyze data, but also propose experiments, automatically run simulations, evaluate results, and iterate. Secure data infrastructure that must manage huge scientific data sets, from open to proprietary to national security classified data, and broad integration of national labs, industry, academia, and tech firms, all mobilized to contribute expertise, data, computing, and algorithms. If the Genesis mission succeeds, the potential benefits are enormous. Accelerated drug discovery. AI models could dramatically shorten the time it takes to identify new treatments, map protein structures, or simulate disease pathways. Materials innovation. Discovering new materials for batteries, semiconductors, quantum devices, or advanced manufacturing could become faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Energy transformation. Using AI to optimize grid operations, fusion research, next-gen energy systems, and material science could help reduce energy costs, increase resiliency, and support U.S. leadership in energy technology. National security. From advanced manufacturing to quantum information science, the mission supports U.S. strategic advantage. Productivity gains in science and engineering. By automating many parts of the research workflow, the mission promises to increase the productivity of R&D, making what used to require years now possible in months or weeks. In short, the Genesis mission is being pitched not only as a technology project, but as a generational science initiative where AI becomes the tool by which discovery is accelerated. No ambitious mission is without risks. So let's talk about the challenges, risks, and some of the criticism. First, funding and resource deployment. While the executive order sets out goals and deadlines, the exact funding, long-term resources, and governance remain unclear. Some observers have highlighted that no new funding was immediately disclosed in some briefings. Next, data quality and integration. Bringing together decades of federal data across disparate agencies, formats, and classifications is a massive undertaking. Issues of data cleanliness, standardization, interoperability, and metadata will matter. Security and IP concerns. The mission explicitly includes sensitive national security datasets, ensuring that AI systems handle classified data correctly and that private sector partners follow rules. These are major challenges. Ethical, regulatory, and workforce impacts. As AI accelerates science, what happens to scientists, engineers, and workers? There's concern about job displacement or shifting roles, and AI models may produce results that require careful validation. Fast doesn't always mean correct. Another challenge: energy and infrastructure impact. Ironically, while the mission is partially aimed at reducing energy costs, AI and large data centers require massive energy and infrastructure. Balancing benefits with environmental and resource use will be important. In short, the mission offers great potential, but also comes with substantial logistical, governance, technical, and ethical hurdles. Now, what does this mean for science, industry, and you? For researchers and universities, access to the platform and government data may change how science is done. More high-compute AI experiments, collaborations between labs and tech firms. For industry and tech companies, there's opportunity for public-private partnership, contracts, and advanced AI platforms. Companies that provide supercomputing, AI infrastructure, and software may be winners. For the US economy, if successful, this could strengthen American competitiveness in AI, science, energy, and advanced manufacturing. It may help create new industries and jobs. For the public, the promise is of faster medical breakthroughs, cleaner energy, advanced materials, better national security. But it also means government data and private sector resources increasingly linked to large-scale AI systems. Transparency, oversight, and public trust will be important. For you as a viewer, it's worth watching this mission because it may reshape how major scientific research is done, how government and industry collaborate, and how breakthroughs come to life. We're entering a new era where AI isn't just a tool in business, it's a tool for discovery. In conclusion, the Genesis mission is bold, sweeping, and potentially transformative. It reflects a belief that AI isn't just for chatbots or marketing. It can be the engine of scientific revolution. But big ambition comes with big responsibility. Data, ethics, governance, energy, workforce are all part of the equation. If you're interested in technology, science, policy, or innovation, keep an eye on this mission. The ripple effects may be profound. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our future tech policy deep dives. I'll see you next time.